Good morning, welcome back to math class. How are you all? Are you fine? I hope all are fine. Just remember, what did you learn in the last class? Have you completed your homeworks? We learned equivalent fractions, right? Let's learn how to find equivalent fractions by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number. See, find the equivalent fractions of 40 by 60. 40 by 60 is equal to, see, I write 40 by 60. Then what I will do, I divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. First I divide by 10 the numerator, and then now I divide the denominator by 10. See what we are getting. What is 40 by 10? That is 4, isn't it? 4 times 10 or 40. 60 by 10 is 6. Correct? So 4 by 6 is an equivalent fraction of 40 by 60. And then one more. See, 40 by 60 I divide the numerator and denominator by another number. See, I divide by 2. Okay, both numerator and denominator by 2, the same number 2. So we know 40 by 60, 40 by 2 is equal to, what is 40 by 2? 20, right, 20. And 60 by 2 is 30, very good, 30. See, 20 by 30 is another equivalent fraction of 40 by 60. The answer is 20 by 30. Then one more, we find out one more. 40 by 60 I divide both numerator and denominator by the same number, okay, by another number, but the same number. So I select 5. Can I select 5? Divisible by 5. 60 also divisible by 5, so I can. We know 40 divided by 5 is 8, right? 8 5s are 40. So we write 8. 8 by. What is 60 by 5? So 12 5s are 60. If you don't know, you write and multiply. See, 60, 5. So 1 5 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So bring 0 down. Now you know 2 5s are 6, 10. So subtract 0. Okay, remainder 0. So the quotient is 12. So we write 12 here. Okay. So 8 by 12 is another equivalent fraction. Okay. See what I have done in all the questions. I divide the numerator by 10. I divided the denominator by 10. So we divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. 10 10. Here divide by 2 and 2, same number. Divide by 5 and 5, the same number. So we get equivalent fraction, right? Okay. Page number 78, example 11. Example 11. Write the missing numbers in the following equivalent fractions. See, a power 5 by 6 is equal to 15 by dash and dash by 48. See, solution, I write 5 by 6 and 15. So then, in the last class we learned, right, by multiplying we found the equivalent fractions, right? See, 15, how we got 15 in this numerator? How we got 15? Can you guess it? Yeah, very good. So, by multiplying by 3, correct? Multiplying by 3, we got 15. So, what we do then? We multiply by the same 3 in the denominator. Multiply by 3 in the denominator. So, just now we learned here, in the divide, if you divide the numerator by the same 10, then by 10, then you must divide the denominator by the same 10. If you divide numerator by 5, then you must divide the denominator also by 5. Okay, by dividing. Same we learned in the last class, previous class, multiplication, right? We use that technique. So if we multiply by 3, we got 15. Then we must multiply 3 in the denominator. So 6 3s are 18. Very good. 18. Then we write 18 in the denominator. We got the first number, right? First 18 we got. Okay, then the next one. This 48 in the denominator. We we are asked to find the numerator. See how we got 48 now. 6 in the denominator. Here we have 48. How we reach 48 from 6? Very good. So by multiplying by 8, because I write here, you see. Good, very good. Into 8. 6 8s are 48, right? Then what we should do? We multiply the numerator by the same number, right? By same 8. See, the numerator by same 8 into 8. So 5 8s are 40. 40 in the numerator. 5 8s are 40. See, here we have 5 and the numerator we have 15, correct? So how we got 15? So if you multiply by 3, so 5 3s are 15. Then you multiply the denominator by the same 3. 6 3s are 18. Okay, 15 by 18. So 18 will be, right? And here we have 48, right? Okay, 48. But we have 6. How we got 48? 6 into 8. 6 8s are 48. So you multiply the numerator 5 by the same 8. 5 8s are 40. Like that we got. See the next B part. 54 by 36 equal to dash by 12 is equal to 108 by dash. See, 54 by 36, we don't have anything in numerator, but in the denominator we have 12, right? How we got this 12 from 36. 36 we have, but here we have 12 only. How we? By dividing or multiplying. If we multiply any number with 36, the answer will be a big number, right? Answer will be more than 36. So here we have 12, very small number. So definitely by, very good, by division, right? Division, definitely division. So division by what number? You can say easily divide by 3, right? Divide by 3. How we got 3? If the number is very big number, then how will you guess the number? For that we have a technique, I will tell you now. We got 36, right? We know it is 36. You divide by this 12. How many 12s? How many times 12 or 36? 3 12s are 36. 0. So okay, with this 3 we got 3. With this 3 we write here. This is a technique to find. Okay. So if you divide 36 by 3, then 12, then the same time you divide the numerator by the same 3. So what will be the answer then? 18, right? 18. So if you don't know, you are divide and write. Divide 54 by 3. I divide and write, okay? 54 by 3. So take 5. 1 3 is 3. Subtract 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring 4 down. How many times? 8 3s are 24. Remaining 0. So 18, we got 18. So you write 18 in the box. Right? So 54 divided by 3 is 18. Now, the third box, 108 in the numerator, nothing in the denominator. See, we have 54. From 54, we reached 108. It's a big number or small number? More than 54, right? So, if you, when will you get more than 54? By multiplying or dividing? Yes, very good. If you multiply 54 with any other number, we will get the same number or more. Definitely multiplication. So, right, multiplication. Correct. Then what number? 54 into, see right here, I can say it is 2. 2 54s are 108. How will you identify? If the number is big, then if it is complex number, then there will be a technique. I will tell you 108. This 108, I write hand, okay, write hand show you. 108 divided by this 54. Okay, see 2 times 108. 4 2s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 0. So 2. So multiply by 2. You write here into 2. At the same time, you must multiply the denominator by the same 2. Am I right? Same 2 into 2. So 36 into 2. What is 36 into 2? 36 into 2 is 72. If you don't know, you write and multiply. Okay. Okay. Exercise 5A. Question number 7. The page number 80. It is from page number 80. Exercise 5a. Question number 7. A part. Question number 7. A part. 12 by 7. See, 12 by 7 is equal to dash by 21. Dash by 21. See, the 7, here we have 7 and 21. How we got 21? So by multiplying, because it is 21 is more than 7. If you multiply by some number, it will be more. So definitely multiplication. By what number? This is easy number. 7 3s are 21, right? 7 3s are 21. Then you must multiply the numerator also by 3. By 3 only. Okay, here 3. Same 3. Okay, 3 multiply by 3. So 12 3s are 36, right? 36, you write 36. Okay, 36. So now we have 96 in the numerator, right? 96. 96 in the numerator. So 12, if you multiply 12 by some another number, you will get 96. Multiply. If we get more, the same number or more. Okay. So by what number? Definitely multiplication. By what number? I told you the technique, right? If you divide 96 by 12, you will get the number. 96 by 12. I know it is 8, but I show, okay, divide 96 by this number 8, 12. Okay. So 8 12s are 96. 0. We write this 8 here. Okay. See, or 12 into 8, I multiply and so 12 times 8. 8 2s are 16, 1 balance, 188 plus 1, 9. 96 we got. Correct. So 12 8s are 96. Then we must multiply the numerator also by the same 8. Multiply by the same 8. So 7 8s are. 7 8s are. Can you tell me? Very good. 56. 56 is the answer. Now come to the next one. 60 in the numerator. So 12 and 60, right? 12 and 60. Definitely we know by multiplying we get the more number. We get more than 12. So by multiplication only. Multiplication. Correct? Then by what number? Which number? 12 and 60. It's simple. 12 5s are 60. How will you find the number? Divide 60 by 12. 60 by 12. Take 6. 60 by 12. Yes, 12. Then 5 12s are 60 is 0. Okay. See if 12 and 5 multiply. 12 and 5. 5 2s are 10. 1 balance. 1 5 is 5 plus 1, 60. So we got 5. The number is 5. If you multiply 12 by 5, you get 60. Then what to do? Multiply the same denominators. Multiply the denominator by the same 5. 5 only. This 5 here into 5. Right? So what is the answer? 7 5s are, tell me now. 7 5s are, very good, 35. We write here 35. Okay, 12 5s are 60. Therefore 7 5s are 35. Right. Okay, now the next one, we have 77 in the denominator. 77 in the denominator, right? See, 7 and 77. So how we reach 7? Very good. If you multiply by 11, you get 77. Multiply by 11, 77. Okay, 11 times 7 times 11, 77. Or 11 into 7, 77. Correct. Then you multiply. You must multiply the numerator also by the same 11 only. Same 11 into 11. What is the answer? 12 into 11. That is 132. We write and multiply. 12 and 11. So 1 2 is 2. 1 1 1. 1 2 is 2. 1 into 1 1. 2. 2 plus 1 3 and 1. So 132. So we write 132 in the box. 132 is the answer. Okay. We 7 times 11, 77. Therefore 12 times 11, 132. Likewise, we solve the problems. Let me solve one more problem. C part. From the same exercise, page number 80, exercise 5a, question number 7c. 4 by 6 we have, and we have 12 in the denominator. How we got 12 from 6? We have 6, right? It is 12 is more than 6. Definitely multiplication or division. By multiplication we will get. Correct. What will be the number? Very good. Multiply by 2. 6 2s are 12. Then we must multiply the numerator by the same 2. So what is 4 2s are? Very good. 8. 8. 8 is the answer. Okay. Now you see the next one, next part, we have 2. We have 4 in the numerator and 2 here. So this 2 is more than 4 or less than 4? Very good. It is less than 4. Correct. 4 is more. But this 2 is less. How we got? By if you multiply by some number, we will get more. Then by division. Yes. If you divide by some 2, you will get 2. Right. Definitely division. The number is 2. 4 divided by 2 will give 2. Correct. Okay, then you must divide the denominator also by 2. By 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. What is 6 divided by 2? Very good. It is 3. Correct. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And now come to the next one. 44 we have. 44. Check. It is 44 is less than 4 or more than 4. Very good. Then by multiplying or dividing, we get 44 by multiplying. Correct. Very good. Multiplying. So by what number? 11. Very good. It is simple. 4 11s are 44. Then we must multiply the denominator also by the same 11. Same 11. Correct. So then 6 11s are, 6 11s are, very good, 66. And come to the next one. What we have? 48, right? In the denominator. 48. See, we have only 6, but 48. It is by multiplying only. Very good. By multiplying, the number is, you find, I told you the technique, divide this number 48, right here, 48 divided by this number 6. How many times? 8 6 are 48, 0. So 8 is the answer, then by 8. Correct. So then you must multiply the numerator also by 8. 8. So 4 8s are 4. This 4 8s are, very good, 32. 32 is the answer. Correct. First one multiply by 2 will give 8. Correct. So this we get 2 by division. Divide by 2. Then you must divide the denominator also by 2. So 3, we got 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now come to the next one. 44. 4 times 11, we got 44. Then we must multiply by 11. 6 into 11, 66. Here 48. 6 8s are 48. Therefore 4 8s are 32. Correct. Now homework, it's very important to do some homeworks. So from page number 18, exercise 5A, question number 7, B and D part. Okay, these two questions are the homeworks. Thank you students, thank you all.